Alright, so if I was to record a video, what I would do is go into Flipgrid. I'm going to click Options. I'm going to click Record Screen. I'm going to click Start Screen Recording. I'm choosing an application window because I want to record Zoom. And then here I am, and I'm going to click Share. I have 3 seconds, and there it goes. And we're going to launch into our commercial. Sean, what do you have to say?
Oh, well, my phone's almost dead, and I really wish I had a way to charge it.
So now I can pause. And just so you know, what you can be doing is you can pause the recording as you need. As you can see in Flipgrid, I have paused my recording, so nothing is happening. And when I'm ready, I'm going to resume my recording. So I should be, instead of gallery view, I'm clicking speaker view so that it should theoretically just record me, the speaker, or whoever's speaking at the time. So right now I'm on speaker view, so I'm going to resume recording. Wow, what luck! We've created this perfect mask right here. It's perfect for COVID because it helps you with the heat and it helps you with the cold. It absorbs all of the heat through its thermal mass properties. And as you're wearing it for COVID, you also get a chance to charge a battery that's inside the mask. It tells you that the battery is being charged, and then when you're ready, when you're safe at home, you're able to go and charge your phone. So exciting!
Whoa, this is very cool. I can plug this into my phone and charge it. See?
And again, just so you know, I did pause my recording on Flipgrid again. So when I'm ready, I'm going to click Resume Recording. And now I'm going to say, the thermal mask. It's good for COVID, it's good for your phone, it's good for everyone. Buy it now.